Hi, Nikki of NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our Instant Pot series. So today we're continuing our Thanksgiving theme for us Canadians that celebrate Thanksgiving in October, and we're going to be doing a pumpkin cheesecake. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. So now we're ready to put our pumpkin cheesecake together. So we're going to start with the crust. So we're going to actually use ginger snap crumbs instead of graham crumbs, just to give it a little extra flavor. And if you can't find ginger snap crumb, you can make it just by buying ginger snap cookies and crumbling them up. And then we're going to add our sugar and our cinnamon and our melted butter. And we're just going to mix that up until it makes a nice crumb. So you mix them up until they look like this, and then we're going to put them into our springform pan that is lined with parchment paper. And then we're going to spread them out, and we're going to press them down with just a flat bottom glass.
Sorry.
Okay, once we have that pressed in nicely, nice and flat, we're going to actually put it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, just long enough to mix our filling. Okay, so we're going to put together our filling. So you're going to start with your cream cheese. You're just going to put it into a food processor. Now we're going to add the pumpkin puree. This is pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. I'm just going to give that a couple of pulses before adding the rest in. I'm going to add in the eggs. Our sugar, cornstarch, pumpkin spice, and vanilla. Okay, so we're going to turn that on and let that blend all together until it's smooth, about 2 minutes. Scrape the sides down. So now we're going to get our pie crust out of the freezer and we're going to put the filling inside. Okay, we're going to pour our pumpkin cheesecake filling into our crust. Now that we've done that, we're actually going to just bang it on the counter a couple times just to loosen up any air bubbles. Okay, that should be good. This is ready to go into the Instant Pot. Okay, we're ready to put our cheesecake into the Instant Pot. We have a cup of water in the bottom. We've put our springform pan onto the trivet, and we're going to gently, carefully slide this in here, like that. We're going to put the lid on. Make sure that it's set to seal. And we're going to pressure cook for 30 minutes. And once that's done, you're going to allow it to naturally release for 10 minutes and then perform a quick release. We'll see you back. And here we have our completed pumpkin cheesecake, a great alternative for a Thanksgiving dessert instead of the traditional pumpkin pie. I hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. The recipe can be found in the description of the video, and if you leave any questions or comments, we will get back to you when we can. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.